Right. Hi. Good afternoon. Right. I think this is our fourth video. This is especially for the 2026 O-level students. So I am going to discuss some theory parts for O-level students, especially the chemistry part of your syllabus. So in the previous three videos, we have discussed the basic theory regarding moles and the amount of matter and everything we have done, molar mass and everything we have discussed. So this is the last video for the chemical calculation part especially, right? This is regarding the concentration, right? Then after we will do the fractions. So this is the last theory part regarding the chemical calculation part. Okay, concentration and the solution, right? So what do you mean by solution? Right? මොකද්ද මේ solution එකක් කියන්නේ, right? Before we move to the theory part, so I would like to express about myself, right? I'm the chemistry teacher, advanced level chemistry teacher, right? Vijitalalit Wickramasinghe, right? This program will help you to easily understand the chemistry part in your syllabus, right? Especially this apart for you. Okay, right? The solution කියන්නේ මොකක්ද, right? A solution කියලා කියන්නේ, so solution containing two parts. One is the solvent, right? The second part is the solute. Solvent and the combination of solvent and solute, or solute mixed in a solvent, right? We can make a solution. කාටද මේ solvent එක කියලා කියන්නේ? Solvent එක කියලා කියන්නේ solution එකක තියෙන major component එක. Okay, right? Major component of a solution is solvent. වැඩිපුරම තියෙන කෙනා, right? Solute කියන්නේ කවුද? Minor component එක. අපි කියනවා කියලාද solute එක කියලා. දැන් අපි ගමු මෙන්න මෙහෙම. අපි ගන්නවා, so right, we can take an example, the sugar solution, right? This is a sugar solution. Sugar solution එකක් හදන්නේ, right? We add water and we add sugar. Okay, we add sugar. Then make a කවුද වැඩිපුරම ඉන්නේ? What is the major component in the sugar solution? Water. වතුරනේ, මොකද වතුර වැඩිපුර දාන්න නැතුව sugar වැඩිපුර දැම්මොත් solvent එකක් එන්නේ නැහැනේ. So when you are going to make a salt solution, right? You have table salt in your house, right? So you take some amount of table salt and you mix with water, right? What's the major component? Water. Water is the major component. It is the solvent of the solution. The minor component is the solute. Solute is the minor component. It's a minimum solvent එකයි solute එකේ combination එකක් තමයි solution එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ. දැන් පැහැදිලි. Sugar solution එක වැඩිපුර ඉන්නේ water. Solvent එක ඒක. Right? So when you are going to make a solution, right? It is a liquid, right? It is something like a solution, right? Solution we can make using a solvent and solute. Okay, hari. එහෙනම් අන්න ගත්තා අපි මේක. Right? what is the major purpose of doing this part, right? Purpose is that we need to know the composition, concentration of the solution. Concentration of the solution. අපි මේකේ composition එක නැත්නම් concentration එක කියන්න ඕන. දැන් මේකේ තියෙන main target එක වෙන්න ඕන. right? කොහොමද මේ concentration එක කියලා කියන්නේ? right? අපි දැන් මේ බලන්න සාමාන්‍යයෙන් solvent එකක් liquid එකක් measure කරන්න පාවිච්චි කරන මොකද measurement එක? right? Volume, the mass or volume or length or which one? So we use volume now, right? Normally, so a liquid or solvent or solution can be measured using the volume. That's the unit. volume එකෙන් තමයි ගන්න. අපි මෙන්න මෙහෙම කියනවා. අපි මේ concentration එක කියනකොට අපි කියනවා මෙන්න මේ solvent එකේ volume එක, right, with respect to, right, the volume of solvent with respect to, right, solute. අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මේක කියද්දී අපි ගන්නේ cubic decimeter or liter. These two units are equal, the same units. Okay, same unit නේ. අපි ඔන්න ගන්නවා මෙන්න මේ composition එක කියන්නේ මේ solvent එක, right, solvent we can present using the cubic decimeter or liter, but solute, right, whatever, sugar or salt or sodium chloride or magnesium chloride or whatever, right? So we can use the how do you measure the solute? Using mole. Api enisa me concentration, so we are going to represent the concentration using a fixed conventional unit. What is that unit? The unit is mole per cubic decimeter. Always we try to count the number of moles in a 1 cubic decimeter volume. Okay, right. I will erase this one. Okay. Amaru ne mewa. Hari. Me balanna. Right. I will use white color. Right. This is solvent. What is the solvent? Solvent means the major component of a solution is the solvent, right? Solute, what do you mean by solute? Solute is the minor component of the solution is the solute. Always we are going to represent the amount of solute with respect to cubic decimeter of volume. Right? Api hamadissama ganna 1 cubic, right? So you have made a solution by dissolving solute in a 1 cubic decimeter volume. 1 cubic decimeter, 1 mole. All right. Api me kya plan concentration. Right? This is not a hard section. This is not a hard part in your syllabus. Okay, अब हम क्या plan 1 mole per cubic decimeter per, right? The amount of solute with respect to solvent, right? 1 cubic decimeter. Then क्या ना 1 cubic decimeter 2 mole. How do you represent? 2 mole per cubic decimeter, right? 1 cubic decimeter solvent, 3 mole. So tell me with me, right? 3 mole per cubic decimeter, right? So you dissolve x mole of solvent in a 1 cubic decimeter solvent. X mole per cubic decimeter. Right? I will change the volume. So you are going to take the 2 cubic decimeter Hebei, right? Always you have to represent the concentration with respect to 1 cubic decimeter volume. 1 cubic decimeter volume, right? 1 cubic decimeter volume, right? 2 cubic decimeter, right? X mole. Can I take the mole in as N or something? That's the conventional method. No, N, N, okay, right? N, right? Komad, right? Now we have to represent for 1 cubic decimeter, no? Right? 2 cubic decimeter tula N tiyanava ekaka. How much? N over 2. N over 2. It is the concentration. This is the concentration something, okay? Right. Another one, you have dissolve some amount of mole in 5 cubic decimeter. N mole in 5 mean N divided by 5. That's the concentration. Okay, can I erase this? The right, okay. I will erase this section. Okay, right. Okay. Now you have dissolved some amount of mole in V cubic decimeter. V cubic decimeter, right? N over V. N over V. N over V, right? This is the concentration. See, right? If you know the volume of the sample in cubic decimeter, number of mole of the sample, and you can calculate the concentration. You can calculate the concentration. What's the equation? C is the concentration. N is the number of mole. V is the volume. You can calculate the concentration using C equal N divided by V. Clear? Okay. So I will erase all the things and write. This is the equation. C equal N over V. Right? Shall we do one question? Right. I have given the 0.5 mole. Right. This one. Volume 3 cubic decimeter. Right. What's the concentration C? 0.305 over 3 mean 1. Dekak pidurui and 67 mole per cubic decimeter. This is the value. Right? You can easily take the calculate the concentration. Okay? Abalamu tiyak right? Erase karno, right? Abalamu apitimo N equal 0.5, V equal 2 cubic decimeter, right? C equal N over V. N means 0.5 mole. V mean 2 cubic decimeter. 0.5 over 2 means 0.25 mole per cubic decimeter. Right? Tahu ekak balamu? N mean 0.1 mole. V volume is 8 decimeter. You can use C equal N over V, right? N means 0.1 mole divided by V mean 8 cubic decimeter. 0.0. 10 divided by 8 mean 1, 2 and 5 mole per cubic decimeter. This is the concentration. Right. Then right, I will erase this one, right? Okay, right. You can write down, you can stop the video and you can write down everything. Right? If you have anything, any doubts with you, so you can ask from. So I will provide my number. So this is my number. So you can ask any question 00080 275. Right? So you can send me a message and you can ask any question. Okay? Right. අපි මෙහෙමයි බලමු. හිතන්න වොලියුම් එක දෙන්නේ cubic decimeter නෙවෙයි cubic centimeter කියලා. Right? So assume that the volume has given in cubic centimeter unit. So what you have to do? So you have to convert that cubic centimeter into cubic decimeter. Right? So n equal C equal n divided by ඔයා හිතන්න v දීලා තියෙන cubic centimeter 200 cubic centimeter. කොහොමද අපි cubic centimeter cubic decimeter කරන්නේ? So you have to divide it by 1000. V over 1000. ඕන්න මේ 1000 එක ගෙන යන උඩට n divided by v into 1000 is the concentration. C equal n over v into 1000. මේක පාවිච්චි කරන්න ඔයාට volume එක දීලා තියෙනවා නම් cubic centimeter වලින්. What is the, I have given two equations. What are those two equations? Right? What are those two equations? Right? Two equations මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? මෙන්න මේවා. Right? C equal n over v. C equal n over v into 1000. Right? ඕකෙන් තමයි දෙන්නේ අපිට. Right? අපි බලමු. Right? We'll discuss. Right? N equal 0.3 mole. V equal 100 cubic centimeter. Abhi concentration gamu 0.3 divided by 100 multiplying 1000. Right? 0. The concentration is the 3 mole per cubic decimeter. Abalamu n equal 0.05, v equal 200 cubic centimeter. Right? C equal n කියන්නේ කීයද? 0.05 mole divided by 200 into 1000. Right here 0.25 mole per cubic decimeter. අමාරුද ඔය? Right? මේ අමාරු නේ. හරි? Okay. මේ අමාරු නේ. හරි? අපි බලමු තව එකක්. Right? When I give the moles අපි concentration දුන්නොත් moles ගන්න මෙහෙමයි. So C is 0.2 mole per cubic decimeter. V is 100 cubic centimeter. Right? You can use the equation that I have given. C equal n divided by V into 1000. Okay? Right? May n අපෙන් අහන්නේ n equal C into V divided by 1000. C mean 0.2 into 100 divided by 1000. The mole is 0.02. This is the mole. Right? So you can, I will give another one. C equals 0.03 mole. V equal 250. C equal N over V into 1000. Okay, right. C කියන්නේ කීයද? 0.03 equal N, we don't know, N divided by 250 into 1000. මේකයි ගියාම 4යි. Okay, and N equal 0.03 divided by 4, 0.0075. Right? I think you have got a clear idea regarding concentration, mole, and yeah, the concentration and mole. Right? When a mugud mataka tiyaganna epa, concentration එකක් ඇහුවොත් moles අහනවා නම් volume අහනවා නම් right, equations දෙකයි. N mean mole, sorry, C mean concentration, equal N mean mole, divided by V mean volume, but the volume should have to give in cubic decimeter. There's another one, C equal N divided by V into 1000. That is the, so when I give the volume in cubic centimeter, you can use that equation. Harida, right? When කොහේ හරි concentration එකක් දැක්කොත්, කොහේ හරි moles දැක්කොත්, කොහේ හරි volume එකක් දැක්කොත්, පාවිච්චි කරන්න මේ equations දෙක, you can calculate the moles and concentration. That's it. ගණන් හදන්න පුළුවන් නේ, සුළු කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ. එහෙනම් එච්චරයි. Right? මම මේ questions ටිකක් දෙන්නම්. Right? Then after I will give the answers for those questions, and you can try at your home, and we'll discuss more and more questions. Okay, so before you go to the exam, I try to practice. Practice is the most important thing. Practice is the most important thing. Okay, do your work properly. Try to manage your time. Right, this is your last moment. Right, try to give your best for your exam. Right, right. We'll see in next day with another video. Thank you.